Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to enable TPM 2.0 on a MSI motherboard. TPM, which stands for Trusted Platform Module, is a security feature that helps protect your system. It is required for Windows 11 and is also needed by some applications and games including Faceit anti-cheat. First, save any work you have open and restart your computer. As soon as the MSI logo appears on the screen, repeatedly press the delete key on your keyboard to enter the BIOS. Once you are inside the BIOS, you may see either Click BIOS 5 or Click BIOS GC Lite, depending on your motherboard model. If you are in easy mode, press F7 to switch to advanced mode. Now go to the settings menu. Next, open the security section and then select Trusted Computing. Here, look for an option called Security Device Support. If it is currently disabled, change it to enabled. After enabling Security Device Support, you will see additional TPM-related options. If your computer uses an Intel processor, find the option called PTT, which stands for Platform Trust Technology, and enable it. If your computer uses an AMD Ryzen processor, find AMD CPU FAF TPM and enable it. Most modern MSI motherboards already include TPM functionality through the processor, so you usually do not need to purchase a separate TPM module. After making these changes, press the F10 key to save the settings. A confirmation window will appear showing the changes you made. Select Yes to save and restart your computer. Once Windows loads, you can verify that TPM is enabled. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run box. Type tpm.misc and press enter. The TPM management window will open. Under status, you should see a message saying that the TPM is ready for use. You should also see the specification version listed as TPM 2.0. If you do not see TPM 2.0, restart your computer and go back into the BIOS to make sure the settings were saved correctly. You can also check TPM status another way. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Expand the Security Devices section. If TPM is enabled, you should see Trusted Platform Module 2.0 listed there. If you are enabling TPM for Faceit anti-cheat, make sure Secure Boot is also enabled in the BIOS, as Faceit may require both TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot for proper operation. To enable Secure Boot, go back into the BIOS, open the Security or Advanced section, find Secure Boot, and set it to Enabled. Save the changes and restart the computer. If you are planning to upgrade to Windows 11, you can check whether your computer meets all the requirements by using the PC Health Check application provided by Microsoft. Once TPM 2.0 is enabled successfully, your system will be ready for applications and features that require enhanced security. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.